Okay, I got a civilization warning, and this is like nighttime, and we're about to get a warning on our TV. Oh, hold on, I'm trying to look out the window. Here we go.
At 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, authorities received multiple reports of an unidentified male individual moving through residential areas. Witnesses described the subject as unknown clothing, unknown age, displaying stalking-type behavior, approaching homes and vehicles without
It's
speaking.
a freaking stalker.
The individual has been observed following residents, lingering near windows, and attempting to avoid detection. His intentions are unknown, and he is considered potentially dangerous. If you are in the affected area, stay indoors, lock all doors and windows immediately. Avoid confrontation. Do not approach or attempt to communicate with the suspect. Report sightings. Call local authorities if you see the individual. Provide location and direction of travel. Check security cameras. Review outdoor footage for suspicious activity.
Close all the windows.
This alert will remain active until the subject is located.
The company
Yeah, that was the alert.
the prospects look good.
And I have to go to the hotel, guys.